How to create a new calendar event on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up calendar. Now make sure you go back to your calendar month and tap on the date that you would like to create the event. So it can be today or it can be another day. And then tap on the add button right here. This will open up another window. You can give it a name. So here say team meeting. And you can choose whether this is an older event or during a particular time. You can also tap on this icon here to select a color and icon. So it can be an icon, could be a birthday icon, or could be any icons that you want to add. So team meeting with an icon. Next, we can choose a time. So the start time. So let's say 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then we go down. In here, you can also set a location of your event. So tap on that will allow you to set a location. Here, tap on my calendars and choose where you want to save this event to. If your calendar app have a lot of different calendars added, then you can select an appropriate calendar. And from here, we then scroll down and set the alert. So in here, by default, my calendar set to 1 hour before alert. You can choose 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, or you can add in a custom alert time. So select, I normally choose 1 day before and then 1 hour before as well. So in here you can turn it on or off, then tap on the back key. Here, if it is a repeated event, then you can tap on it and set the repeat interval. Then you can also add attachments to it. You can add images, so we go back here, we can add in images, video, audio, documents, and so on. So here I can choose image, for example. So I need to sign in, so sign into OneDrive to add it to my files. So it appears if I don't sign in, it won't let me. So if I try to remove this item, so look like I won't be able to add any attachments unless I'll sign into Microsoft. Okay, so I'll get back out. Now we go to the next item, which is the time. So in here, you can set the time zone for this meeting or this calendar event. And after that, we go down and tap on save. So these are all the different options that you can set for your calendar event. Tap on saved, and we have now created the calendar event. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.